G'day everybody. Today, wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're out in Taupiri checking out this amazing American barn we've got. This is a custom design. The client came to us with what they wanted to do. And instead of the standard normal one door in the middle, we've got an 8-metre bay and then two 4-metre bays to the side, so you could have two massive roller doors in the middle. These ones behind me, they're 3.8 metres high, 3 metres wide, and so you got 4.5 metres just to the knee of that centre bay there. So 128 square metre shed here, 8 metres deep. Now I'm going to take you around and show you a whole lot of cool things that are going on in this shed today. So follow me and we'll have a look inside. Come on through, check this out. New Zealand made doors, nice and easy. Roll on up, come on in. So I want to shout out, this shed was built by some great Kiwi blokes and his family, Kyron Backs, KAB Construction. All the concrete was done by Dirtworks. Now this is owned by a good Kiwi bloke, so you can see it's full of all the good stuff. Got all the lawn mowing gear, got an awesome little digger in here, got a few project cars as well. And not only that, is we've built this as the clear span shed, but he's gone in there, added a mezzanine. We're going to have a look through, a little bit of a man cave and a few cool things going on in there. So I mean, that's what the sheds are all about. We'll give you that shell and then you build the dreams on inside. So come on through and we'll have a look at a few more things. Awesome, so we've got a couple of classic minis here. Just like everything, that's what you want in your shed. A couple of dream cars to be doing up over the time. So yeah, I enjoyed it. My teenage years, I had a good mate, Ben P. And he had his little Mini. We used to love racing around in that thing. Hopefully that's sitting up in some shed as well, getting a rebuild as well one day, so it's cool. And then we've got the spinning body getting done up here, so I just love looking inside sheds and seeing what people have got going on in there. Awesome. So what we had here is a couple of rooms have been framed out of this. So we've installed the windows on the outside, and the client's gone and built all this framing here, done it out of plywood, reused and repurposed some old doors in here. All right, come on through, let's have a look inside what we got here. Yeah, so this shed, what another little smart option was putting a roller door on the back, so you got access for the ride-on mower to go in and out, so you're not coming through the main doors and then clogging up the driveway with grass. So you got this in here. And you've got this great little workshop in here, lathes, sanders, benches. We're talking about shed dreams here, my friends. So this is an excellent little workshop. Follow me through. Then over here, we've got some legendary Tamiya sits over there. I just saw this, I said, can I show this? Because I know lots of people are gonna appreciate this. Model trucks, model tanks, man. I like my ute, but that one would be an awesome version. So yeah, this shed is just excellent, full of all the good stuff, full of shed dreams. So yeah, thanks for checking out this and watching along. Yeah, we'll probably flick through to a few other little things in there, but otherwise, have a great time.